What was she crying about? He crying about? That piece of shit dirtbag is crying. He said, I can't go to jail. I got kids to talk. I mean, school, and I got a job. I gotta stalk some children. I mean, I gotta go to work. That piece of shit shouldn't have been out on whatever the fuck he was out on anyways. Once they took him into custody, his ass should have stayed in custody where they should have beat him and tied him to a pole and prodded him with some damn near boiling ramen noodles. Whatever the fuck they gotta do to his ass. Puke. Child predator.